In the today's video, we'll discuss important questions from the solid state, which will be required for HSC board, even very important for unit test and term examination. So, first question: write the effect on density of a substance in a Frankel defect. We know that Frankel defect is not related to the density, or hence there is no increase or decrease in the number of atoms, ions in a Frankel defect. So the density of substance remains constant. So there is no change in the density. Very important one, no change in the density. Frankel defect, only a change in the position of atom ions. So original density of the substance will be remains constant. Second question, what is diamagnetism? Diamagnetism is the substance which having all electrons in the pair nature, or the substance all electrons are pair and they are repelling to the magnetic field. So this substance is said to be diamagnetic, and the examples are N2, F2, NaCl, S2O, benzene, or these are the examples for diamagnetic substance. Third one, give the property common in HCP and CCP. So HCP means hexagonal close packing, CCP means cubic close packing. So there are two properties which are common. First one is coordination number. So the both the structures having 12 coordination number, and both compound having packing efficiency is similar, that is 74%. Third one, what is the diagram for BCC? What is BCC? So BCC is body center cubic structure. Body center means the eight atoms at the corner of the cube, and one more atom additional to the center. So corner atom contributes 1/3 part, while central atom contributes a single atom. So 1/3 8 times, and center one addition atom. So BCC contains how many? BCC contains number of atom, 2 atom will be there. So next to this, the number of tetrahedral void is formed if the number of atoms in a crystal is n by 2. So we know that the total, if you're discussing about the tetrahedral voids, the formula is given here. The number of tetrahedral voids is equals to the double of number of atoms in a crystal. So number of tetrahedral void will be the double. So n by 2 multiplied by 2. So how many there are? N void will be present. Next, write a short note on explain the packing efficiency of metal crystal in simple cubic structure. About to this one, 6th number question. Give the percentage of empty space. BCC means body center cubic. Empty percentage, that is unoccupied 32 and occupied is 68. So totally contribute by 100%. Next to that, packing efficiency of metal in a simple cubic lattice. Very simple. So simple cubic lattice means how the structure is drawn. So this is your cube system. Cube system contributes 1/3 part to the each corner of the crystal. So this is your cube. So every corner contributes one more atom to the cubic system. So 8 corners are there. So step by step we will solve the numerical. First one, so step by step we will solve this derivation. The first one, we will discuss about the radius. So radius is what? Radius is a half of the diameter. The diameter is what? So diameter is given here. So diameter of these two cubes are attached in a center. So this is the diameter A, and what is the diameter? That this is diameter A, and the diameter radius is equals to diameter by 2. So R is equals to A by 2. This will be a radius of sphere. Secondly, simple cubic contains one sphere. Initially we will calculate the volume of a sphere. So what is the volume of sphere? Which will be 4 by 3 pi r cube multiplied by radius. Sorry, this is your 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is your number of particle present in simple cubic. And what is the value of r that we have initially found out? R is equals to a by 2, only substituted in this equations. So what will we get? You will get pi a cube upon 6. This is the total volume of particle because BCC contains only one particle. So this will be a total volume. What is the formula for packing efficiency? Formula is volume occupied by a unit cell divided by total volume. Volume occupied is what? Pi a cube upon 6, and total volume is a cube. Volume is always equals to the length, height into breadth, that is a cube, which will be 52%. This is 52% is occupied space, that is 46 or 47.64% will be the unoccupied space in the cubic system. Next to this, find the total number of atom in FCC. FCC means what? If you are discussing about the structure of FCC, so what will be happen? FCC means this is your cubic system. 8 corners are there, so 8 corner contributes 8 atoms. 1/3 part is contributed by the corner, and addition to this one, half atom is present to the what? Face. So how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. How many corners are there? 8 corners are there. So 1/3 part by the 8 corners is equals to 1. Half to the each face, 6 faces are there. So 1 plus 3, which will be 4. So number of atoms in FCC, there are 4. Next to this, vacancy defect. So this is your vacancy. Number of atoms are absent in the original position. This defect decreases density of substance. During the crystallization of solid, the particle is missing from the regular sites of the crystal substance, called as vacancy defect, and this is also called as mixing defect. Atom is missing from the original position, and vacancy creates in the atom or in a molecule that will be decreases the density of substance. Next, Schottky defect and Frankel defect. This is Schottky defect in a ionic solid, very important one. Schottky defect arises in ionic crystal. So this example is given in front of you. This is ionic crystal example. So in an ionic crystal, there is a regular position of a crystalline solid. If there is a ions are absent from their original position, so this is loss of anion or loss of cation causes short in the atom, that is Schottky defect. These defects, there are 2 holes exist in ionic pair. One is cation here and one is anion absent in this above structure. Such defect is called a Schottky defect. So conditions are given. So high degree ionic character, high coordination number will be required, or the small difference in the radius of cation to the radius of anion, that is radius ratio, will be required for such defect. Example, sodium chloride, sodium chloride, silver bromide, and potassium chloride. It means that all 3 examples are ionic one. Next to this one, Frankel defect. What is Frankel defect? Ions are dislocated from their original position, or the position of ions it changes in the structure, called as Frankel defect. Cations or anions are changes their original position, and this occurs in a ionic compound with the large difference in the size of cation and anions having low coordination number. Examples, silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide. Next to this one, niobium crystallizes in body center cubic. So it has a density 8.55 kilogram per centimeter cube. So what will be happen? Calculate the atomic radius of niobium. What we have to calculate? Atomic radius. And what is the formula? R is equals to √3 a upon 4. But आपल्याकडे a ची व्हॅल्यू नाही आहे. Initially what we have to calculate? Initially we have to calculate a with the formula of density. या फॉर्म्युलावरनं तुम्हाला a ची व्हॅल्यू काढून कॅल्क्युलेट करून घ्यायची आहे. बरोबर. आणि ती एची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करून घेतल्यानंतर तुम्हाला आरच्या फॉर्म्युलामध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायची आहे. बरोबर. डेन्सिटीचा फॉर्म्युला आहे तुमच्याकडे डी इज इक्वल्स टू झेड एम ए क्यूब एन ए. झेड म्हणजे स्मॉल एन आहे दिलेलं आहे. ते नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स किती आहे बी सी सीमध्ये 2 आहे. मास दिलेलं 93. ए क्यूबची आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची. दिस इज युअर अवॅगॅड्रोज नंबर. आपण ए क्यूबची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केली 36.12 इंटू 10⁻²4. हा काय झाला तुमचा एक क्यूब झाला. आपल्याला ए काढायचं म्हणजे क्यूब रूट घ्यावं लागेल गिवलेल्या टर्मचं. सो दिस क्यूब रूट इज 3.305 इंटू 10⁻⁻⁶ आणि ही एची व्हॅल्यू ह्या फॉर्म्युलामध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट केली. सो युअर रेडियस विल बी 1.43 टू 10⁻⁸. सेम न्यूमेरिकल. A metal crystallizes in two cubic faces, namely as FCC and BCC, whose edge lengths are 3.5 angstrom and 3 angstrom respectively. Find the ratio of densities of face center cubic and body center cubic structures. So we have to find out the ratio of face center and body center. Initially, edge lengths are given this 3.5 and 3 angstrom. So there are two densities D1 and D2. So D1 is the density for FCC crystal. FCC म्हणल्यावर नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स किती येईल. झेडची व्हॅल्यू किती आलेली आहे 4 आलेली आहे. झेडची व्हॅल्यू 4 आलेली आहे. सो झेडची व्हॅल्यू किती दिलेली आहे. सी दिस झेडची व्हॅल्यू 4 आहे. नेक्स्ट टू दिस बॉडी सेंटरमध्ये झेडची व्हॅल्यू किती आलेली आहे आपली 2 आलेली आहे. सो यांच्या दोघांचा फक्त रेशो घ्या D1/D2. D1/D2 घेतलं तर हे काय होईल रिव्हर्स होईल इकडचं फक्त. आणि तुम्हाला रिमेनिंग जे कॉमन टर्म्स आहेत ते कॅन्सल्स होतील. कॉमन टर्म्स विल बी कॅन्सल लाईक ॲवॅगॅड्रोज नंबर विल बी द कॉन्सल. देन मास विल बी द कॅन्सल. रिमेनिंग टर्म्स विल बी 54/42. युअर आन्सर विल बी 1.26 राउंड. नेक्स्ट, the unit cell of metallic silver is FCC if the radius of atom is 144.4 picometer. So we have to calculate edge length of volume and percentage of volume of unit cell. So initially, so this is numerical related to the again density. All numericals of solid state are related to the density one. So this is very important one. So what we have to calculate, first of all, mass of one silver atom will be the atomic mass divided by Avogadro's number. So atomic mass of silver is 108 and Avogadro's number is 6.022. So this will be 17.9. Mass of unit cell we have to calculate. So this crystal is FCC. So there are 4 atoms present. So there are 4 atoms present in FCC. So 4 multiplied by this your answer. So your mass of unit cell is 71 gram. 71 into 10⁻23 gram. So volume we have to calculate. Volume is 408 in volume is a cube. दिलेल्या व्हॉल्यूमचं आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे एचा एज लेंथचं काय करायचं क्यूब करून घ्यायचं आहे आणि डेन्सिटीचा फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायचं. डेन्सिटी इज इक्वल्स टू मास अपॉन व्हॉल्यूम. मास आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करून घेतला आहे. व्हॉल्यूम आपण आत्ता कॅल्क्युलेट केला आहे. डेन्सिटी इज 10.5. So these are the important questions from solid state. Thank you.